Good morning, everyone.
And welcome on board.
Thank you to each and every one of you for being here with us today. I would like to express also many thanks to conference organizer. My name is Mateusz Dziudziel, and I am the head of the fuel department in LOT Polish Airlines. I am also pleased to be vice chairman of the Fuel Efficiency Committee. Here with me is Kamila Giżyńska, who is the leader of the fuel efficiency team.
My name is Kamila Giżyńska, and since 2017 I'm part of LOT Fuel team. Last year, together with my project team, I successfully implemented new fuel efficiency software in our company, about which we will talk in today's presentation.
First of all, let me tell you a little bit about LOT itself and about our fleet. LOT Polish Airlines combine tradition and modernity. We are one of the 12 longest existing airlines in the world and have been connecting Poland, Central and Eastern Europe with the world for over 91 years. Every year, we host millions of travelers on board of our aircrafts, carrying over 10 million passengers in 2019. A common crane, which is the symbol of strength and stability, has been an element of LOT logotype for 90 years now. It is well known that cranes are long-distance flyers, but LOT flies not only long-haul flights. Our flight network answers to the needs of the modern passengers. We connect Central and Eastern Europe with the main destinations in the region, Western Europe and the most important business centers in Asia and North America. As you can see, we fly domestic, short-haul and long-haul flights. It implies composition of our fleet. There are almost 90 aircrafts in the LOT fleet with 11 different airframe and engine combination from 3 aircraft manufacturers, Embraer, Boeing and Bombardier, both jets and turboprops. In terms of age, LOT's fleet is one of the youngest and most modern in Europe. As a company, we feel socially responsible to take care of common environment. In LOT, we take the issue of environmental responsibility very seriously. Operating in a more sustainable way is our long-term goal and one of the greatest opportunity to reduce aviation CO2 footprint. Beyond the modernization of our fleet is through implementing more efficient procedures, both on board and on the ground, everything to make our operation greener. The Destination Eco program is closely related to fuel efficiency and CO2 reduction. Moving then to fuel efficiency. Please let me tell you about the key challenges concerning the fuel efficiency program. As it was mentioned, in 2017 we started implementation of fuel efficiency policy in our company. At the beginning of the project, we established a set of several initiatives that were based on the best practices, things that were already known in the industry and called fuel savers. The potential savings were only estimation, and it was very difficult to say whether the action that we had taken were actually working or not. Month by month, as our network and fleet grew, we started to face more and more difficulties in maintaining already recognized initiatives, not to mention implementation new ones. Due to variety of manufacturers, aircraft types, models and many different data sources, data collection became a challenge for us. We spent most of our time generating data instead of analyzing it. Also, aircraft avionics software are not free from errors, what lead us to the point where we weren't able to cover all of our fleet. Another challenge that we were facing was communication with pilots. We believe that pilots are the key players in our fuel efficiency program, and without their cooperation, it is impossible to have a successful fuel program. With only focusing on the data, we were unable to identify where the potential fuel savings are, which made implementation of further fuel initiatives partially pointless. We reached the point where the most of our analytical work ended with statement that we cannot improve it because we cannot measure it. I must personally say that I felt utterly helpless to move things forward. However, being aware of the imperfection of the existing solution, we decided to look for a software that would allow us to move center of gravity from the data collection to data analysis. We were looking for a game changer. To find the best solution that will let us move forward, we established our needs. We needed to monitor our recognized fuel efficiency initiatives and have the possibility of creating self-developed analyses, define targets, goals, and KPIs for compliance monitoring of each initiative. I spoke a lot about troubles with data, so obviously data integration and verification was one of top priority. Engaging pilots in our fuel efficiency program was also high on our list. We wanted to present them their personal results versus others, as well as show areas and ways for improvement. Many of you can probably relate to everything I just said. At the end of the day, we all want a solution that will let us analyze, implement, and improve fuel efficiency initiatives which would lead to actual savings. We all may want the same, but when we go deeper, our needs actually may be slightly different. That's why we were looking for a software that will give us a possibility of customization. To be honest, we didn't want to buy a box, something that will have some already developed features with the room for changes. All of our needs and more were answered when we met StorkJet team. As a result, in 2019 we started implementation of Fuel Pro. Fuel Pro is a web-based fuel platform that helps to analyze and track cost savings fuel initiatives in all flight stages. With that, we manage over 30 fuel initiatives, easily finding potential savings. Using Fuel Pro, we can review any fuel statistics, set targets for each initiative, and check if they are fulfilled by our crew and dispatch. All of the data provided in the software is a great value for lots producers and company policies.
Now let me tell you how implementation of Fuel Pro looked at LOT. I can truly describe it with one word: simple. Simple mostly at LOT side, as our only job was to provide source data of proper quality, and all of the rest of the implementation was done by StorkJet. As you can see, we provide quite a few data sources, and to be honest, quality of some of them was far from perfect. Also, the diversity of our fleet meant that we had different needs for every initiative. Considering the imperfection of our data, StorkJet had to perform a set of quality checks, necessary repairs, and outliers exclusion. After that, they matched all data sources to get one detailed information about a single flight. For each flight, set of performance indicators were calculated for every fuel efficiency initiative. At the end, our ultimate goal was to get highest data quality and coverage possible in one application, and StorkJet definitely met our expectation. StorkJet made the acceptance environment available already during the implementation, so it was possible to see how new data appear in real time. At the same time, we have opportunity to comment on the user interface and submit proposals for changes. It is necessary to mention that Fuel Pro environment is fully customizable. StorkJet made many individual changes in the platform to suit our fleet, operation types, and network, starting with filtering and validation options through adding extra charts and new initiatives, ending at possibility of creating custom charts and reports. The best part is that the time from signing a contract to a fully customized productive solution was only 5.5 months. Fuel Pro for us is the solution that could grow and develop with us, a solution that adapts to our various needs and expectations. a solution that have a team of great specialists behind it who are ready to support us at any time. Now let me tell you how we use Fuel Pro in LOT and what actual savings we already achieved. I would like to give you a little overview of how we use Fuel Pro in LOT. On a daily basis, Fuel Pro is mainly used by LOT Fuel team. We measure, track and monitor the progress of fuel initiatives to stay on track and make adjustments when needed. Because fuel is one of the main costs of an airline, Fuel Pro is a great tool for our management board. Through dedicated executive dashboard, they can track fuel goals and check actual savings. Fuel efficiency is not only an interest to fuel department, it also concerns other departments throughout the company. That's why the platform is also used by our chief pilots, fuel efficiency pilot, weight and balance and flight planning department to let them identify areas for improvement and monitor best practices application. And one of the most important group, pilots. Fuel Pro has a dedicated interface in the platform just for pilots, which I will present in details in a few minutes. Now jumping into our first case study, contingency fuel. For a quick overview, what is the purpose of contingency fuel? The basic definition states that contingency fuel is loaded for deviation from planned and actual trip fuel. This is for unexpected factors. Factors like deviation from forecasted weather condition or from planned route. In general, it's planned for deviation between planned and actual demand on fuel. There are several methods for calculating contingency fuel. Basic ones being 5% of free trip fuel, 3% of trip fuel or minimum contingency, reduced contingency fuel and statistical contingency fuel. As you can see in LOT, before implementation of Fuel Pro, for our long-haul flights, contingency fuel was planned as 5% of trip fuel. Because we didn't have a proper software with good quality data to check it, we weren't fully aware of the situation and saving potential. After implementing Fuel Pro, we were able to change our policy and start planning contingency fuel as 3% of trip fuel. You can see that this change is pretty visible. 1 year after application, we were able to save almost $2 million. Implementing 3% contingency fuel is not the end of our story. Our next step is to implement statistical contingency fuel, and I'm sure that with Fuel Pro we will succeed and save even more. Another story that we would like to share with you is about how we reduced APU usage on our 787 and how Fuel Pro helped us with that. At LOT, we make a significant effort in reducing fuel consumption and in-flight CO2 emission on our long-haul flights. However, once the aircraft lands, we throw all of these benefits and savings out the window with inefficient ground operation procedures. APUs are a great example of that. We knew that limiting APU usage ensures very significant savings in terms of fuel consumption and maintenance. Unfortunately, our resources weren't enough to analyze FDR data in terms of APU. For proper monitoring, we wanted to have this data automatically imported in a software that will let us analyze APU usage based on multiple conditions, such as aircraft type, airport, or weather conditions. None of that was possible before implementation of Fuel Pro. Fuel Pro allowed us to analyze in details APU usage on each phase: taxi out, in-flight, taxi in, and turnaround. We started with APU usage at taxi in phase in our home base, Warsaw Chopin Airport. 99% of taxi in phases in Warsaw were performed with APU turned on. What is more, in some cases, APU was turned on while aircraft was still in the air, even with electrically powered ground equipment was available after landing. Using Fuel Pro, we could share these results with our pilots to start a discussion about what changes we can make. As a result, appropriate procedure has been introduced both for pilots and ground handling. Now, using Fuel Pro, we are able to check application of this procedure, APU fuel consumption usage and usage time. What is more important, our pilots can check their compliance to this procedure. On reducing APU usage at taxi-in phase, we were able to save 35 kilograms of fuel on every 787 landing in Warsaw. Our last case study is a great example of how FuelPro helped us with unexpected change in aviation world. In LOT, we plan a fixed value of taxi fuel for every aircraft type. We always felt that this is not the most fuel-efficient way of doing it. But like in previous cases, without a software that would allow us to analyze and, what is more important, monitor application of the changes, we remained with the functioning way of taxi fuel planning. Even after implementation of FuelPro, we didn't change this policy. Knowing it might be time-consuming and savings might not be significant, we left it on our to-do list and focused on the initiatives with higher saving potential. And then COVID happened. Travel restrictions and flight reduction led to a decrease in airport traffic. Less traffic meant shorter taxi times, and shorter taxi times equals lower fuel consumption. In FuelPro, new data from flight data recorders is implemented to the platform on the weekly basis, so we were able to notice reduction of taxi time and fuel consumption immediately. Using FuelPro custom reports, we were able to check our data flight by flight, compare taxi fuel consumption before and during COVID, validated by aircraft type, departure airports, sectors, time of the day, delays, runways, and weather condition. It sounds like a lot of work, but actually FuelPro did most of this work for us. As a result, we could establish new taxi fuel values not only for every aircraft type, but also distinguished by departure airports. What is more, we can set targets for every airport and check application of this policy. At the time of this presentation, the implementation of new policy was not completed, but was in the final phase. However, we would like to share it as to show how FuelPro helped us to react on time and implement changes as soon as possible. With the new approach, we expect to save up to 50 kilograms of fuel for each short-haul and domestic flight. Moving on to the last part of our presentation. As we said before, for us, pilots are the key players for successful fuel efficiency program. Because of that, we wanted to give them a tool with which they could check their achievements and remaining saving potential. With implementation of FuelPro, our pilots received dedicated platform available for their eyes only. In FuelPro Pilot's Performance tab, each pilot can check details about his operation and compliance with cost-saving fuel initiatives in all flight stages. FuelPro allows them to find out how successful they made the established fuel policy in a particular month and can compare their performance with other pilots. Also, they can check one of their recent flights to see the route on the map and display the flight details. Additionally, we can create extra charts and make them available for pilots in the platform. What is more, every pilot can check his performance for chosen sector and aircraft type, which, considering our fleet diversity, is a great feature. Also for pilots, StormJet provides online fuel efficiency manual that let them understand how the platform works and how to navigate it. Additionally, it provides an explanation of each initiative and show how it was calculated. This is a great help for us, because most of the pilot's questions could be answered immediately by a simple click in the platform. Especially for pilot's performance, we needed highest data quality and coverage possible. We needed to be sure that every information that we share with our crews is correct. Also, in this area, StormJet met our expectation. Besides web platform, we also wanted to share with pilots monthly fuel statistics via email. Once again, our needs were answered by StormJet. They gave us opportunity to create and share such reports, and what is more, they took responsibility for their distribution. While implementing this part of the system, we wanted to work with our crews to meet their needs and create a tool which they want to use. Different fleets had different requirements, but like every part of FuelPro, also Pilot's Performance tab is customizable. Thanks to that, we were able to adjust the expectation of our short-haul and long-haul fleet. For each flight, pilot received comparison of their flight path with the most optimum one. Optimum is calculated based on Storkjet tail-specific performance model with usage of artificial intelligence. By comparing the most optimum flight path with the real one, airports can check where are the areas for improvement and what is the saving potential in every minute of the flight. Such charts are available both for climb, cruise, and descent. On the example, we can see the descent chart. Actual flight profile is marked on blue, optimal on green. At the first picture, we can see pressure altitude. Second one present indicated airspeed, the third one fuel usage. By analyzing such charts, pilot can see that top of descent started too late. This is why aircraft was flying too fast, and in the end, pilot has to use sprit brace to come back to appropriate profile, saving potential 73 kilograms. As far as now, every opinion about Fuel Pro that pilots share with us is a positive one. Nothing makes me happier than the fact that they are willing to use it and change their performance to more fuel efficient and eco-friendly. So I think I'm safe to say that from both analytical and pilot's point of view, we highly recommend this solution. For LOT Polish Airlines, Storkjet fuel efficiency software has been an eye-opener. Now we are able to track our fuel efficiency initiatives and develop new ones. We have a powerful analysis tool that collects all fuel data from various sources into one application. With Fuel Pro, we are able to discover new fuel-saving possibilities and successfully implement them. By sharing Fuel Pro with pilots, we are engaging them to fly more efficient and be greener. They are much more aware of their performance and ways of improvement. And this is just a beginning. Thank you for your time and attention. We are now moving into Q&A section of the presentation. Please type your questions into your question box. The Q&A is via the chat only. There is no audio, so please continue to type your questions. We are live now.